Welcome again, guys. This is raw carbon, and this is perfection. Let's see the journey. Look at the sheer scale. It takes this much raw carbon to power our entire process. We start big, then we get microscopic. This is pure carbon. Our journey begins here. Now, we violently break down this massive seam to start the diamond process. This truck holds tons of carbon, ready for purification. We must stabilize the load and transport it safely to...
Welcome to Next Gen Manufacturing.
First step, remove the trash. Before crushing, we use powerful electromagnets to pull out all metallic debris.
Particle size matters. The coal is now a fine powder, ready for its extreme wash to eliminate ash and rock residue.
This skimmer removes the ash and rock carried by the froth. It's a key purification step, leaving us with...
Every batch is verified. We must ensure the carbon is pure enough to sustain crystal growth under the most extreme conditions.
This is the blueprint for the diamond. The carbon and catalyst are precisely mixed.
The carbon is pure. We are ready for the crucible. Now, we recreate the conditions of Earth's core. Extreme heat, extreme pressure.
This tiny stack must perfectly replicate the immense thermal gradient of the Earth's mantle, feeding the carbon toward the cold seed crystal.
This is the machine that makes diamonds. It takes a volume of steel and compresses it into a size smaller than your hand.
Pressure is on. We're using immense hydraulic force to compress the chamber, rapidly climbing. Temperature is rising quickly now. Once we hit 1500 degrees, we enter the sweet spot.
We are now at 5.5 gigapascals and 1500 degrees Celsius. These are the exact high pressure
Return. This pressure must hold for days, sometimes weeks. In that time, the carbon atoms slowly... Inside the chamber, the metal is molten. It acts as a solvent, the carbon, and transporting the...
This is true growth. The carbon atoms lock onto the seed structure, patiently building an efflorescence.
We're here to craft your next favorite piece.
The moment the growth cycle ends, we must release the immense pressure. That high-pitched sound is the world's heaviest air escaping the chamber.
This dense pellet is the result of days under pressure. It contains the diamond, hidden inside the dissolved catalyst metal.
The acid washes away the metal solvent, revealing our raw, powerful creation. These dark, rough crystals are now ready for the master cutters.
This is our rough diamond, dark, angular, and now ready for the complex cutting plan that will unlock every last bit of its brilliance. The heat and pressure are gone. Now comes the intense precision that defines a diamond's value. Computerized mapping and flawless cutting.
Even lab-grown diamonds can have flaws. We map every microscopic carbon inclusion to plan the perfect cut and maximize clarity.
The X-ray map reveals the grain. We use this precise atomic diagram to plot the angle of the cut, ensuring the diamond doesn't shatter.
We now use light to cut the hardest material on Earth. This high-energy laser must follow the precise plan we just made.
The laser maintains constant power along the crystal grain. This process, though slow, is the only way to act.
The laser finds the crystal's natural grain, ensuring a clean break. We now have 2 high-value pieces to polish. The laser continues the work, rounding the crystal into a cylinder. This is the foundation for the classic, perfect.
Next, we create the perfect circle. Rooting uses one diamond to shape another, defining the final diameter and the symmetry of the girdle.
The girdle is now a perfect circle. This defines the stone's final diameter and ensures absolute symmetry for the polishing stages.
The diamond is secured with wax onto this dopstick. This allows the cutter to control the exact angle of the
The hard structure is finished. Now we polish for maximum fire. This automated system will precisely cut the facets that create the brilliance.
Every single facet must be verified to microscopic angle tolerance. This controls the light return, determining the stone's final fire and brilliance.
After polishing, the diamond is coated in dust and wax. The ultrasonic cleaner vibrates the grime away.
We now judge the finished stone by the 4 C's: carat, color, clarity, and the critical cut. This score determines its final value.
The clarity test confirms absolute internal purity. This stone is microscopically flawless, a perfect VVS grade achieved.
This perfect symmetry gives us an excellent cut grade. That uniform red pattern is the proof of maximum fire and brilliance.
The final mark of quality. A microscopic laser inscribes the certification number. This ensures every
dimensions are perfect. The designer uses the digital certificate to build the final setting, maximizing the stone's light return and security.
At over 1700 degrees Celsius, the liquid platinum fills the mold. The wax vanishes, leaving behind the perfect metal setting. This is the marriage of fire and metal. The diamond is precisely seated in the platinum, ensuring maximum light exposure.
Most diamonds find their true destiny in industry. They cut, drill, and shape the modern world, right here in the factory.
And there is the final result of our process, a flawless, brilliant gem, forever.
Even the smallest diamonds receive the same perfect cut and are set with meticulous precision into the final gold setting.
For luxury watches, precision is measured in microns. We use diamond dust and tiny melee stones to create markers that will last a lifetime. The final step for the watch, securing the external stones. Even the bezel setting requires a steady hand and a diamond-tipped tool.
Perfection achieved. Look at the fire, the polish, all starting from a lump of black coal. The transformation is complete.
Every surface is polished to maximize brilliance. We clean the gold setting one final time before the diamond is secured.
For luxury watches, precision is measured in microns. We use a vacuum tool to set these tiny diamonds precisely.
The external setting is the final flourish. The jeweler uses the diamond's own hardness to secure the smaller stones perfectly in the platinum bezel. The metal must be flawless. The high-speed buffing wheel removes all micro scratches, ensuring the platinum.
The necklace, a testament to the cutter's precision, designed to catch every available light.
It is a journey of extreme pressure, time, and heat. The difference between this black rock and this perfect gem is human ingenuity.
From the deepest mine to the highest form of brilliance, a testament to science, perfectly controlled.
This piece is the result of your journey, from the carbon mine to the final polish, a gift with our sincere thanks.
Thank you, everyone. It was an incredible journey. Okay, diamond production complete. The only question is, What incredible factory should I be going to next? Let me know in the comments below. Don't miss out on the next adventure. Subscribe now.